Jove, are you stuck, honey? You got in the box? There you go. Whoa, good job, sweetie, yay. Was that fun? You gonna try that again? Get in a different way. Boy in a box. There you go. There are a lot of ways in and out of a box we are learning. There. What's Griffin doing over here? Hi, Griffin. Say hi to everybody. You want to say hi? No. Where's your truck? Here it is. Okay, everybody say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jove, you want to say bye-bye? You're busy trying to undo your shirt. Jove, you want to say bye-bye? No?